that YouTube land? It's your boy TitanicFeet Jack back at you again with another video. Of course, we got that heat on deck, but before we get into today's heat, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. What's going on with y'all out there? How y'all feeling? Let me know by dropping a comment in the comment section. Let me know what is going on with you guys. And if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and want to become part of the TF gang family, here's what you do. You hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video here on this channel. And I need everyone that's watching to smash that thumbs up button. The more you smash it, the more YouTube promotes the video and it triggers the algorithm and all that good stuff. So it'll be greatly appreciated if you smash that thumbs up button. Now, enough of me talking. Let's get into today's sneaker. You see a all black box. Says Nike. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Air Foamposite One QS. QS standing for Quick Strike. Colors, it says black, TM Royal, TM Orange. TM standing for team. Size 15, personal pair, price $230 US. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside here. Pop the box top. We got some type of number here, some measurements, no stamp. Let's hit that here. Look at your paper. You have Nike on paper with a little swoosh in various sizes. You have it little right here, have it kind of big right here. And the paper is kind of smooth on this side, like my chin when I get a fresh shave. And let's go ahead and pull the kicks out. We got some Foamposites, baby. Where my foam heads at? Quick look at it. I'm going to get the other sneaker out of the box. I'm going to give y'all a closer 360 view like I do here on this channel. Then we're going to get into discussing what we have here. Yes, guys, we have here the Air Foamposite One QS Quick Strike, the gradient. Foamposites, you know, they lost their popularity, and me, I still like them, and I wanted the anthracite, the all black one that came out recently, and I thought I could sit back and allow them to go on sale and then cop. Boy, was I wrong. Those things sold out quick, fast, in a hurry. So when these released, I had to jump right on it. I wasn't going to allow that to happen to me again. So I was able to get them at retail, not at the sale price that I would have liked, but sometimes you got to pay that retail. But getting into the sneaker on the upper, you basically got your, if you used to foams, you already know this material right here. It got like a matte finish, like a dark chrome color, charcoal gray type finish on here. There's no Nike swoosh. Then around your laces area, there's black leather. And you got your Nike swoosh right here on your upper. The leather's going all the way around the laces, all the way around the entire shoe to the top part above the ankle area. Like I said, you got your lines, no Nike swoosh. Looking at your midsole, you got your carbon fiber. You gotta make sure you plug that carbon fiber. And your midsole, you have different colors. It leads from purple to orange to royal blue. And this is a Penny Hardaway shoe. This represents teams Penny played for, the purple being the Phoenix Suns, and the orange, the New York Knicks, and the royal blue, the Orlando Magic. You get a better look at that on the outsole. You got your Phoenix Suns, your New York Knicks, and your Orlando Magic. Three of the teams Penny played for in his career that was cut short. And you can see the carbon fiber again right here on the bottom with your Penny Hardaway logo. Looking at the rear of the sneaker, like I said earlier, you got that nice leather right here. This really nice leather. And you got your 1 cent Penny Hardaway logo. And you got your strap back here with that inside mesh going on right there. There's nothing really much to this sneaker. Sometimes simple is wonderful. To me, in this case, this is wonderful. You got that chrome looking finish. It's nice. You probably can spit shine these and have it shine a little more. You got that going on your upper. Like I said, you got that leather going on. They use some good leather on these. Some pretty good leather. The leather on here is better than that leather that's on the Jordan 1 mochas, in my opinion. Comment below what y'all think of that leather on the Jordan 1 mochas. You got your carbon fiber right here again on your midsole, as well as that gradient colorway. Looking at the front of the sneaker, it's not really much of a toe box on Foamposites because your laces probably start way up here around your toenails, where your toenails are. And just like on the midsole and outsole with the gradient colorway, you have the same on a little strip going up the tongue, the Orlando Magic, the New York Knicks, and the Phoenix Suns. You also have a mesh tongue with some leather on top of it. Comes with the rope laces, the factory lace with the black rope laces. It comes with additional laces, but we're going to get into that in a little bit. And you have your Penny Hardaway logo in a bubble right here up top. And you also have another strap, which I use very frequently to adjust the fit of the sneaker on my foot. Let's get a look at the inside of the sneaker. Okay, we have a cardboard shoe tree. We have the Nike swoosh on here. Nothing major, regular cardboard shoe tree. Look at the inside of the sneaker. You have a black sock liner going on here. You have a black insert. And you have a Penny Hardaway logo in white. And you can see that piece inside that's hanging out here. Also part of the sock liner, helps you adjust the sneaker, make sure you have that nice fit. Okay, guys, let's get a look at that size and tag. We have US size 15, production date January 22nd of this year, 2020 to April 29th of 2020. So that's the production date. So we had about 3 months of production. And they just released these in November. I don't know what took them so long. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think of the phones. I mean, me personally, I think this should reduce the price of the Foamposites to try to bring back more of a market for the foams, because people aren't buying Foamposites like they used to. But there are some foams out there that are some must-haves, like the Galaxy foams, the Big Bang foams. Comment below if you have any of those. I didn't get the eggplant foams. That's a pair of foams I wish I could reach back and get. I like those. And give y'all a quick look at those additional laces. You got the Team Orange laces, which represents the New York Knickerbockers. You got that Royal Blues represent the New York Knicks. I'm sorry. This Royal Blue represents the Orlando Magic. Forgive me, y'all. And we have this Team Purple represent the Phoenix Suns. So you come with 3 additional laces. In addition to the black, it comes factory lace with. Comment below if y'all copy these. I mean, cop these. I like these. I'm gonna rock them. Like I said, you rock what you like. So let me know what y'all think of this sneaker. Let me know what y'all think of the video, guys. And in closing, if you can help somebody get a sneaker, help somebody get that sneaker, because you never know when it will be your turn to need the help to get a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack, signing out. Y'all have a good day.